What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing some studio lights that I ordered off of Amazon. These are the LimoStudio 45 watt 6500K pure white fluorescent daylight balanced light bulbs. This is a 4-pack. Prices may vary, but I got these for pretty cheap, $19.99. Let's go ahead and check them out and see what we got. Here's the box that it came in. There's one other thing for another video that I have in here, but we're gonna pull out the lights right now. Boom! We have some bubble packing right here. I love this stuff. Reusable, of course. You're gonna be sending something out yourself. There's the other item, but here are the lights. Let's pull them out. All right. They came in this white box right here. Let's check out the box real quick. They are the LS Photo Studio 120 volt 45 watts. Seems like there's two boxes taped together. We're gonna go ahead and separate them with the blade. Smooth like butter. Bam! I'm assuming there's two lights in here and two lights in here. Let's get inside one of them and check them out. I wanted to upgrade my lighting, so I went ahead and went online and ordered these bad boys. Or bad girls, whatever you prefer. Inside the box, we have two light bulbs. Two more boxes. One light bulb each. Let's slide these out. Empty, nothing else in there. Alright. Boom. Two styrofoam inserts protecting the light inside. Empty. Okay. Inside here we have the lights. Let's check them out. Boom. Wow, that looks nice. These are pretty long. PB 45 watt 120 volt 45 watts. They look nice. Nice and long. I'm not sure what this little hole is in there. There's like a little tiny hole right here, like right there. I don't know if that's for like cooling or something. Then we have all these little holes on the side. Maybe that's also for cooling. Cool. Let's check out the other one. Should be the same thing. Styrofoam inserts protecting the light bulbs. Wow. Here's a close-up view. Fits in the socket right there for your light setup. Pretty light. Prices may vary, but I got these for pretty cheap, 19 bucks. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already. As always, I'm going to put the link to these lights in the description of this video down below, so you can check them out for yourself and see different items at similar and different price ranges, and you can even decide to make a purchase if you wish. And if you do decide to make a purchase, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I really appreciate it. Real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my light setup so you can see the light difference. Alright, so you see this lighting right here right now. This is the light setup with like two super weak light bulbs, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and we're gonna see the light up difference. Alright, so just hold on for a second. Boom, there it is. I just went ahead and set the lights up on my two light stands, and the lighting you see right now is provided by just two of these light bulbs. So now I hope you know what to expect when you go ahead and order some of these online for yourself. What you're gonna get, what you can expect in your package, and all that good stuff. Here it is once again, close up. As always, the link to these are going to be in the description of this video down below, so you can check them out for yourself, learn more about them. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Here's some pizza.